Good day, YouTubers. It's supposed to rain in about an hour, so I'm trying to get my shredding done before that happens. And I think I'm gonna beat the deadline. Get my camera hooked up in here. I shredded the tops of the plants up already. And they're over here in the compost bin. I may throw some of the bottom and the mixture of the soil in there. This is where my bin was last year, where I had my herb plants growing. This is a bucket I got from today's grind. I've been collecting these plants for the past couple weeks. Once you get that first frost, people start throwing them out, and I start picking them up. I got 6 today from the town dump. It's a beautiful day to shred in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Won't you shred my plants? Ooh, that one was peat moss, but peat moss breaks up pretty quick because it's dry and woody. Yeah, buddy, gardening gold. I'll fill this can up, and the rest will go in the compost bin. Have a great weekend, YouTuber. Take advantage of the day the Lord has made. God bless you.